Hi, in this video, we'll be continuing our study of economics. So, in the previous videos, we already went through demand and supply and market failure. Now, we want to see how we will study the behavior of firms in the market. So, the firms itself. And there are four types of firms, markets: perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly. But all of them have the same goal, and it is to maximize the profits. And profits is just total revenue minus by total cost. So the total revenue is the amount of the firm receives for the sales, and the total cost is the market value of the firms used in production. So here are some formulas. Total revenue is price times quantity, and the average revenue, or AR, is just the price. And for total cost, you can write TC. Average cost is just TC over Q. But we need to think by the margin, whether a cost of an additional cup of coffee is less than the revenue you get from selling it, then your profits will rise because your revenue you get will outweigh the cost, so you purchase more. And the MR is just the change in total revenue over change in quantity, and the MC is the change in total cost over the change in total quantity. So you'll continue to produce as long as your MR is larger or equal to your MC. So one way of exampling showing the average cost and marginal cost is through the curve like this. So when your MC is less than your ATC, then your ATC is falling because your marginal you add per quantity is going to be less than your average now. You'll drop the average and keep going. And once your average is more than your marginal, then you'll keep rising above it. So you will cross only at the ATC's minimum. And to profit maximize is when MR equals to MC. As seen from this thing, you produce as long as MR is larger or equals to MC. If we were to increase the quantity by 1 unit, the revenue will increase by MR, and the cost will increase by MC. So if your MR is larger than MC, then you will keep raising to raise profits, and if it's less, then you decrease quantity to raise profits. So you only profit maximize in this condition where MR equals to MC. So that's for the profits of a firm, which holds true for all these firms. Now we want to take a look at a specific type of firm known as the perfect competition. And what characterizes this market is that there are a large number of buyers and sellers, and each buy and sell only adds to a tiny fraction of the total quantity. Another assumption is that the sellers offers standardized products, and the third is that the barriers for entry and exit is very easy in the market. So with these three conditions, which you can read more about the three, which causes the buyers and sellers to become price takers, meaning your market demand forces allocated a price and quantity, equilibrium price and quantity. With this price, we have to go to the firm, and you can only produce at this price. So a way of seeing it is the market has the supply and demand forces, which leads to a price and quantity. For the firm now, this price will become your demand curve because you can only sell at this price. So the marginal revenue in this case becomes a horizontal line in a perfect competition setting. And so the marginal revenue is the price, which is also the AR. So for a perfect competitive market, the MR equals to an AR, and it only occurs for this market. But you still profit maximize at MR equals to MC. So you need to draw your MC line to find the equilibrium quantity you'll be producing at. And a recap of what we have went through: for perfect competition, you profit maximize at MR equals to MC. But for a perfect competition, your price is your MR. So in this sense, for equilibrium, you are producing at price equals to MC. But price equals to MC is the one that doesn't produce any deadweight loss, so it maximizes total surplus. So it is efficient in this case. So I hope you understand more about the perfect competition and how the firm's profit maximize. In the next video, we'll be going through monopoly. See you then. Bye.